Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miran, and today we're diving into the exciting world of greenhouse gardening. Whether you have a small space or a large backyard, greenhouses offer a fantastic way to grow your plants year-round. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started as a beginner. Let's get growing. First, let's discuss the benefits of greenhouse gardening. A greenhouse creates a controlled environment that protects your plants from harsh weather, pests, and diseases. This means you can extend your growing season, ensuring you have fresh produce or beautiful flowers even in winter. Plus, it allows you to grow plants that may not typically thrive in your climate. When it comes to selecting a greenhouse, you have a few options: freestanding, lean-to, and portable greenhouses. Each type has its advantages. For instance, freestanding greenhouses offer flexibility in placement, while lean-to greenhouses save space by attaching to your home. Portable options are perfect for those just starting and can easily be moved around. Think about your available space, budget, and the types of plants you wish to grow when making your decision. Location is key. Choose a spot that receives plenty of sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours per day. Avoid areas with heavy shade from trees or buildings. Once you've selected a location, ensure the ground is level for your greenhouse. If you're using a portable greenhouse, make sure it's secure and stable. Temperature and humidity control is vital for maintaining a healthy greenhouse environment. Miran, temperature and humidity are crucial for plant health. Most plants thrive at temperatures between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. You can use a thermometer to monitor this. At night, aim for slightly cooler temperatures. Ventilation is also essential. Open windows or vents during the day to promote airflow and reduce humidity. A fan can help with air circulation as well. Now let's talk about soil and planting. Miran. Next up is soil and planting. A high-quality potting mix is essential for your plant's success. Look for soil that is well-draining and rich in organic matter. You can either start with seeds or purchase young plants. Popular choices for beginners include tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. When planting, ensure you follow the specific depth and spacing guidelines for each type of plant. Finally, let's discuss the importance of watering wisely. Miran. Watering is a crucial part of greenhouse gardening. Check the soil moisture regularly. Typically, you should water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Use a moisture meter if you're unsure. Remember, it's better to underwater than overwater. Overwatering can lead to root rot and other issues. Lighting considerations. Miran. Let's talk about lighting. While greenhouses naturally provide light, you may need supplemental grow lights, especially during shorter days in winter. Most plants need about 12 to 16 hours of light daily. Adjust your lighting based on the specific needs of the plants you're growing. Pest and disease management. Miran. Managing pests and diseases is essential for a successful greenhouse garden. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests like aphids or spider mites. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs to help control pests naturally. If you notice any diseases, remove affected plants promptly to prevent spreading. Maintaining cleanliness in your greenhouse will also help reduce pest issues. Seasonal planting tips. Miran. Seasonal planting is important in greenhouse gardening. In spring, start with seedlings of warm season crops like tomatoes and peppers. As summer progresses, you can plant fast-growing varieties like lettuce and herbs. In fall, consider planting cold-resistant crops like kale and spinach to enjoy fresh greens throughout the winter. Conclusion and encouragement. Miran. And that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to greenhouse gardening. Remember, every gardener learns through trial and error, so don't be afraid to experiment. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your own greenhouse experiences in the comments below. Happy gardening, and see you next time.